Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duncan. Today we're on a recent trade-in 2024 Scout 175 Sportfish. This boat has a black hull, a Mercury 115. It has trim tabs, the standard two port and starboard side seats in the rear. We have a forward and rear facing seat with an igloo cooler underneath. Moving forward to the helm, this boat has 17.2 hours on it, very lightly used, fusion stereo head unit, Lenco indicators for your trim tabs, great glove box for your storage compartment. We have 4 speakers on this boat, 2 in the rear, 2 forward. Bimini top provides a ton of shade, keeps you out of the sun. Fishing rod holders off the console. We have a additional igloo cooler here up at the front with a cushion and a backrest. So you got 2 nice size coolers on the boat. A lot of storage when you come around to this port side. Pop-up cleats, real nice. We have a bow rail. We have rod holder / cup holders, 2 of them at the bow. Really easy access to your anchor. And again, lots of storage in this compartment here. Life jackets, dock lines, fenders, everything that you need to bring on the boat for the day. There's plenty of room for it. Give us a call, MarineMax Huntington, 631-956-4865. Thank you.